That's crunched away, and the first boundary for Lahore Qalandars. You can hear the crowd, they want more of that. Fidgety at the crease and not doing anything. Oh, lucky. 3 dot balls and then back-to-back boundaries. Tanvir continuing, and he finds the gap. Goes Fakhar Zaman for a boundary. Well struck from the local. Oh, that's big. Have a look at that. And from the soba. And Chris Lynn says, I'm not happy enough. I want more. Then he gets more. Big 6. 17 runs off the earth. Chris Lynn and Fakhar Zaman have been dealing in boundaries, and it continues as the over number 4 gets underway. He's managed to get it past short 5 leg, and that will race the way to the boundary for 4. Straight over the bowler's head for 4. Chris Lynn says, bring on who you want to. I have one. Wow, have a look at that. Even further, and that brings up the 50.
Spin into the attack. Moeen Ali's first ball just gets it over. Wow, what excitement from Lahore.
Sets in for the bowlers.
Shot gone. Lynn tried to go over mid-off. Decided that he wanted to go after every single ball, and why not? And it's Moeen Ali that got the wicket. Multan, Sultans, well, they needed that.
Everything else has been coming out of the screws. Tries to just go one time too many. Didn't quite get enough elevation. And a well-judged catch. Safe hands.
Now it's Fakhar Zaman. Does he get enough of it? No! What an over for Moeen Ali. Back-to-back wickets. And all of a sudden, the Multan Sultans back in this game.
Oh, what a remarkable turnaround this is. Trying to continue this onslaught that we've seen so far. Just not quite getting enough on it.
Mix up, and could be a big wicket. Walking off Ben Dunk. How have they turned this around? Brilliant from the Sultans.
This is classic miscommunication. Both batsmen staring at each other in the middle of the pitch, unsure what to do. Well, he does strike as a type of dismissal of 2 batsmen who haven't played a lot together. He's storming off the ground as well, furious. Both men here just looking at each other, not committing too far, even in the frame.
Plays spin very well, Dame Villas. He's good between outside edge. It's good bowling from Afridi, and he doesn't get the rewards outside edge.
10 Sultans have turned this around. The Hafiz and Villas will have the capacity, the capability to turn this around, and that shot tells you his
name.
Oh, will he be in trouble here? He is. The captain takes the catch, and Mohammad Hafiz is on his way. Tahir's not doing laps, but he's certainly celebrating like a footballer.
Here it is again. Hafiz trying to force the issue. This pitch quite slow. Again, very well bowled. You just get a sense that Tahir knows when a batsman's coming at him. Leading the fielder to take the catch.
going away from him. Tahir.
One with one ball to come.
What a shot. It just rates to the boundary.
To do as a batsman.
Oh, what has he done? And Imran Tahir is off on that famous victory celebration. Second wicket. And look at that. Have a look at that. He knows how important this performance is. Dane Villas, after a promising start, has got to make his way off.
Well, he'll count himself desperately unlucky. This was going to miss. And just managed to pull it back on. I understand exactly what he was trying to do, but on the fifth wicket falls.
Lahore. He doesn't. That little motion of going back in, he gets an inside edge. Multan are grabbing this game.
And Lahore are crumbling. It's the sixth wicket, and we're trying to run this down to third man. Ball just starting back in, is always going to come back into him. Cramp for room. Inside edge onto the stump. And Qalandars.
All clever. Clever. And unfortunately, Imran Tahir can't stop it. Has to be a wicket. Caught and bowled. Poor shot from Shaheen Shah Afridi, and a simple wicket for Sohail Tanvir.
And it's that short of length bowling that's worked again for Multan Sultans. Shaheen Shah Afridi thinking of smashing this out of the park. Just looped up and went just off the playing surface. Only just here.
Powered away. Get a boundary, a little bit of bounce from the outfield. Is this the first? Full toss, doesn't get enough of it. Straight down Afridi's throat. Easy for him. And the 8th wicket down.
Harish Rauf trying his luck, trying to clear long off, but nowhere near that middle of the bat. It's there to be hit, but it's just almost with a clunk off the bat, and Afridi is never going to drop that.
Tanvir. Full. And does he get enough of it? Yes, he does. Got it again. Slower delivery and heaved over the leg side. 2 sixes in this last. Just be a single off the last ball, so the end of Lahore's innings, and they get to 138 for 8. 34 not out for the captain. 34 off 30. And what a performance by the Multan Sultans, who won the toss, decided to have a bowl first, and there'll be a happy group of cricketers going into that mid-break.
15 runs off that last over, and the struggle in the middle overs for Lahore Qalandars, and
Multan look for 139 to win. Swinging ball down the leg side, wide. He steps away and is gone straight down the ground. And James Vince opens up for the first. He's worked that away really well, and he's got a foot there. Unfortunately, it's across the boundary, but that was well struck. Oh, he's cracked that away for 4 with absolute disdain, and Vince has owned this over. End of 2. Oh, got him! Afridi strikes, and the dangerous James Vince has got to make his way off the field. The crowd are up on their feet and you can hear them loving this moment.
He was searching for the Yorker the last couple of overs, and finally he gets it spot on. Goes round the wicket and delivers a terrific Yorker. Just angles back, hits the base of off stump, and James Wynn's innings is over. Afridi produces a delivery. Every batsman. Short and pulled away and smashed to the fence. First boundary for Shan Masood. Run chase.
Oh wow, hit on the up and another boundary. Just like that.
Just like that, right on cue.
Oh no, this could be trouble. Yes. Run out just when Masood and Moeen Ali were stamping their authority on this game. Lahore needed something special and they provided it.
Is this the little twist that Lahore Qalandars needed? Against the run of play, it's almost dominating performance from the bat of Multan Sultans, yes, and then he sails going down the river.
Oh, poor ball and put away. 4 runs off the final.
Powered. Like that as well. I like that. From the captain who...
They'd certainly take that, and they'll take those as well. Another 4 straight down the ground.
आपने लिया कितना मुश्किल था क्रिकेट खेलते हैं जनरली
जी बेसिकली मैं क्लब से क्रिकेट खेलता हूं तो कैच मुश्किल तो नहीं था इजी था मतलब बिल्कुल सामने आंखों के आ गया था तो बस
Father was a wrestler as well. No wrestling in that. That's what they needed. Beats her into the attack.
Well, that was a horrible swipe across the line. It looked so good this evening. Slower ball into the wicket. Well bowled. Not the middle and off, but really a horrible swipe across the line.
Oh, whipped away for 4. Lovely shot. You can watch that over and over again. Nicely struck, and it will race to the boundary for 4. He hit it well, and he found the gap. Wow, collision. Hope he's okay. Riley Rousseau.
He's a big unit, Riley Rousseau. Just trying to throw underarm and just getting a flick on the way down and hit him on the shoulder. Could have really hurt his shoulder. I hope he's okay. He's up on his feet. You don't want to see injury. They sprayed it quite a bit. And when you don't have the spinner in the side, they're looking for 2-8. Comfortable, very comfortable. Oh, direct hit.
I think he's gone.
Is he gone? You think he's gone?
I'm calling it. I think he's gone.
Close one. I thought he was comfortably home. But direct hits, you never know. It's going to be a very close one.
Well, you said it. The direct hit changes everything. He was looking on course. Yeah. Gone. Well out of his crease.
I don't think he was expecting that. That ball came like a rocket. One-handed pickup, out.
On the shoulder and saying, "You've got this." Wow, that is smashed. Oh, he almost had it. Afridi on the boundary. That's number 37 in HBL PSL 5.
How good was the try? Wonderful try. He just bowled an over. He had to run all the way, at least 20 meters to his right, and then try to grab it. He would have taken the ball with him if he would have caught that, because the momentum would have taken him toward the boundary. But that is a super effort by Shaheen Afridi. Well done, Afridi. Well done.
Well, now they do have a wicket, and a catch really well taken sees the end of Riley Rousseau.
The aggressive nature of Haris Rao. Looked to bowl another bouncer, and couldn't really control that Riley Rousseau. And I think he might have got a glove on it, maybe just shoulder of the bat. Yeah, no control at all, and nicely taken. Misjudged it a little bit. Look at that. Look at that for a catch. Just grabbed it with one hand. Easy. No problem at all.
That was so easily done for 4.
Haris Rao, there he goes. There he goes. Owen put down. By a crowd member put down. 246s for Afridi. Doesn't get this. Doesn't get enough of it. Put down though. He has a chance. Dilbar Hussain who put it down.
To be fair to him, that probably had snow on it. That ball went so high. He didn't really judge the distance too well.
So get the game done. Doesn't get this. Full toss. Oh, misfield. Misfield, 2 in a row. Afridi is leading the Multan Sultans home.
What a shame. We've enjoyed his bowling this evening. And often when up in your first game of PSL or your first game in any tournament, as soon as you make a little mistake, it can snowball.
Simple victory in the end for the Multan Sultans. And Afridi finishes it off in style. 21 from 12 from the veteran. And they win with 23 balls to spare.
Comprehensive in the end. Looked unlikely to be